Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Glenmuir, Clarendon is a prestigious residential community known for its tranquil ambience and well-appointed homes. This neighborhood boasts a variety of modern, spacious houses, ideal for families and professionals seeking a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of city life. With tree-lined streets and a friendly, tight-knit community, Glenmuir offers a safe and serene environment. Its location in Maypen provides convenient access to local amenities, schools, shopping centers, and hospitals, making it a desirable place to live for those who appreciate comfort and convenience in Jamaica's lush countryside. The property features electronic gating, a two-car garage, two laundry rooms, and is fully equipped with security grills. The upper floor features four beds, three baths, two of which are ensuite with private balconies. The lower floor, which is incomplete, features three beds, two baths, a kitchen, and storage. With this kind of layout, it's also perfect for investment purpose. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 38 million or US $246.8 thousand dollars. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.